Another deep bearish week it was for crude oil. We have seen oil moving the lows towards 68 point to 68.4, and it was indeed a deep bearish month for crude oil. Now, what to expect from oil in the month of March? Can we say that the lows are done, or we are looking forward to a greater bearish move, which is going to take it below 65 levels, breaking below the support levels? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil in the month of March and next week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a long term review. I do share my daily updates for crude oil, first with the Asia session, next with the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Also, towards the end of this update, I will share the trading levels, so watch this. First, let's have a look at the weekly charts here. Now, when you look at the weekly charts, see, these are the four peaks which we had seen in crude oil for the last, you can say, almost 2 years, whenever it is retraced, and it is clearly a narrowing triangle. See, 65, 67 zone has become the base, and this is a squeeze which it is delivering as of now. Very important observation. See, almost 2 years it has been, and since then you can see oil is just taking the support from 65, 67, and it is also respecting this long-term trend line. It has breached for a brief but failing to sustain, has reversed. Now notice the last few candles, because see, we will also try to find out what to expect in the coming week. If you look at the formation, see, it is preceding two candles closing at the bottom, the last one breaking below, and it has come towards the support zone at 68 to 68.4. Also, it is closed in red. So now when the next candle starts, it may possibly deliver similar size of bearish candle. And if it does deliver similar size of bearish candle, you can expect where the prices are going to be. It might try to move all the way towards 66 or 67 zone, which is indeed a very good support, because see, this is the pattern: drop, then sideways movement, and then once the next candle starts on a bearish note, if you see it is staying below 69, you can say we are looking forward to 68, 67.6, and in fact 66 levels. But when you look at the move here, you can find out, see, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. This is how it has been trading, and this could become the reversal, because see, it is closed at the doji here, so it is an indecision, and from here the reversal trend may start. What are the possibilities to it? So if you ignore, or not ignore, but if you look at the near term, see these three highs and see these lows here. This is how oil has been trading for last 6 months. The highs, the retracement towards the bottom, the highs, the retracement towards the bottom. And now if it trades above 73, 74 zone, that is the point of time we can say now this is the reversal, because see, it has traded bearish enough. This may become a reversal. In fact, a move above 72 should be a very good indication. Now the prices are heading higher, and then we can look forward to a move all the way towards 75. But let's have a further look why it could rise. See, the stochastic has come to an oversold zone, which calls for it to reverse soon. Right now I can see it is struggling to bounce back. When you look at the MACD, if you look at the MACD, see, it was under retracement, it is converged here, but not yet crossed over. Very important observation, because this crossover may lead to further bearishness. But look at the move here. See, this was the bottom. Since then it has been trading in this waves here, and sooner or later it has to deliver a breakout. Right now this is trying to do so, but has now shown a convergence. I will wait for a couple of greener candles from here, which will confirm a reversal. The RSI has dropped, which is a slight bearish sign. Coming to on the daily charts, now notice that, look at these two candles here. A reversal was seen, then a greener candle has appeared, and the last one closed almost at the point where it has started the day. Now, in fact, even if you see it is staying above 70.4, 70.6, you can buy for 71, 71.2, and if that is taken, stay bullish for 72, the first target, 73 the next, and once it breaks beyond 73, that's a reversal. What you're looking forward to, you can wait for 75 all the way. 75, 76 should be the next resistance zone. Notice also, after a great rise, this is a great retracement. This is a nice flag. See this? This is a nice flag, and from here the second wave may start. First wave is this one, second wave may begin here. So the coming week is going to be pretty crucial for crude oil. The moving averages on the daily charts have crossed. These are trading with divergence, these are staying bearish, but it is not that it cannot reverse. I will wait for the next couple of sessions and the critical levels on the upside to be breached in order to confirm a reversal. Also notice now if you look at the daily charts, look at the near term here, you will find a greater support here, though there was a breach here, but then it is just consolidated around 66 67 zone. And now if you notice, after retracing it is forming higher lows. So in fact now you can expect higher highs as well. What is the possibility to it? When you look at the stochastic, this is come to an oversold zone and now looking higher. And when you look at the last three times, what it did, every time when it has crossed over, it has delivered higher highs. So this time it may enter into overbought zone. And when you look at the MACD also, after a greater drop, it is trading almost at bottom, and the coming week might confirm a reversal here. The RSI is also trading near to the bottom here. Coming to on the 4 hour charts, there is an interesting pattern. See, previously this was the support here. It has breached this support and now trying to fall back. $70 levels were pretty interesting support here, as it has struggled to break it for 2 to 3 times, and now it has seen a breach. After breaching, now it is trying to bounce back. So we have to now wait for it to trade beyond 70.4, 70.6, then 71, 71.2, and then all the way towards 72, 73. And then once it breaks 73, you can expect that now this is the reversal, and we can expect 75, 76 levels very, very soon. Look at the stochastic on the 4 hour charts is rising. The MACD also, after hitting the bottom, is rising, which is a good sign, as it is seen almost a double bottom. It can hit all the way towards the top. RSI is also rising, another good sign for the bulls. Now the most important one, now when you look at the monthly charts, the picture is something different. Though what I am looking at here is these four candles, red, green, and the last one, which suggested that the prices were not willing to stay bullish, and we have seen a smaller body size, and then this reversal candle has appeared. Now, whether this is a reversal or not, this will be confirmed with the move in the month of March, because see, couple of greener candles means couple of bearish candles has to be there. Means possibly once it breaks below 66, 65 zone, we can in fact look forward to a greater correction. Because when you look at this, you can find out the lower highs are seen consistently, and prices were not willing to break on the upside. At the same time, I am just observing the same squeeze here, where we can see a flat bottom and lower high. So this is a squeeze, and a breakout specifically beyond 75, 76 is where you can confirm in the month of March we can look forward to a greater rise all the way above 80. Now look at the stochastic. This is rising after hitting the bottom on the monthly charts. And the interesting one is the MACD, trading bearish, not yet willing to cross over. First, second, I will wait for a crossover here, and I have been waiting for this crossover since long now. We can definitely see that it is just consolidating its position here. And the year 2025, do watch the annual review and forecast which I have shared for crude oil before the beginning of year 2025. You can find out that the possibilities are very high that we may see a reversal soon in crude oil. It is taking a little time, but it should not be too late as well. And thus the coming week and the month of March is going to be pretty critical, because the direction it takes here is going to be the direction for the next few months. Possibly once it trades below 65 and then 62, 60 should be there. Below 60, it's a greater correction, which I do not expect. RSI has dropped as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First, let's talk about the levels. I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 70.2, expect 71.6, 71. Once 71 is taken, or 71 plus minus zero point 0.2 is taken, you can just stay bullish for 72, the next milestone. Beyond 72 is where we are looking forward to another round of rise towards 73.4. And if 73.4 is taken, the next targets are towards 75, then 76. See, we are talking about the complete month, and hence it is not that uh, you can say it is going to get achieved these levels in 1 week or so. It may take a little time with little swings, but as in how it breaks these resistances, the momentum certainly gonna go bullish from here, where we are looking forward to the levels which are pretty high, because once it breaks beyond 76, 75 zone, you can look forward to a greater rise here. Now let's talk about what if the price turn bearish and we look forward to a on the downside. Now it is very important for oil to now trade below 69.3 levels. Below this you can expect 68.8, and if 68.8 is taken, then 68.3 levels. If this is also taken, you can stay bearish for 67.8, and below 67.8 it is directly going to land at 67.1, 66, and then 65. Below 65 is where extreme bearishness should be seen. Now look at the levels. It is close at $70, and from 70 to 65 is a 7% correction, and below 65 is where we are looking forward to a greater down move for the near future, where the prices are going to land at 60, if not in this month then next month. Though I still reserve my, you can say, opinion for such a greater dip, I am still expecting the oil to bounce back very soon. Coming week is going to be very important, as it is going to decide the direction for crude oil for the next few weeks. So take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a profitable month of March. Thank you. Have a happy weekend.